margins and the design language, like the British did on this. Inject into the exhaust stack to make it turn white. Non-toxic. If you breathe it, it's not going to hurt you. It's just the paraffin-based oil. Barney bringing it down and low. Max gross weight of 8,200 pounds. Max speed to sea level 322 miles an hour. A total of 7,900 of these aircraft were built. Airworthy survivors today? Well, only about 18. Design work for the F4F began in 1935. It was the Navy and Marine Corps' main fighter, surprisingly, at the start of World War II. Barney executed the Cuban egg we talked about earlier today. When it comes by, you'll notice the landing gear retracts in, the wheels are fixed in the side retracts in. Again, 28 hand brakes to bring that landing gear up. Now, early in the war, the Wildcats were going to be delivered to the French, but with France falling early and before the delivery, these aircraft were then sent to the British Royal Navy's Fleet Air Arm with almost 1,200 aircraft serving there. The British called the aircraft the Martlet. Why? I have no idea. To make way for the newer F6F helicopter. Early on in World War II, it was zero, but it could soak up a lot more damage than the very light. Barney laying down a little strafe action on the infield here. As you would imagine, I'm sure over the year, Belgium, France, Greece, Canada, the UK also flew the aircraft in addition to the United States Navy. And any part of the aircraft, there's some truly talented people. Barney, bring it in low for your photo pass. He does like to fly it low, doesn't he? Barney also flying a brand new restored P-47, a very, very rare aircraft. Just restored in the last year. It's called Bonnie. Only a handful wheel up in the air or possibly a three-point landing. It varies from aircraft to aircraft what works best. Day to day, over the average month, Barney will probably fly an average of 6 to 8 different types of aircraft. As you can see, he's doing a main gear landing, keeping that tail wheel up, and as the plane slows down, ease that tail wheel right back down to the ground. Now he really can't see over the nose, so it's going to be visibility out the left and the right. While Barney's clearing the runway, if you look over to your right, you'll see the purple P-51 Mustang that was over on the center of the ramp. Moving on, crank the landing gear up, get that thing up there before he goes about 85, 90 miles an hour, otherwise it won't work. Once he's got it up and locked, then back to right hand on the stick, left hand on the throttle.